Next we have the connected components. The first one is adjustant. Two pixels P and Q are adjustant. यहाँ पर क्या है, हम मेन क्या देख रहे हैं, इफ़ दे आर द टू पिक्सल्स P and Q, how we can say that they are adjacent if they are connected by four adjacent, eight adjacent और the m adjacent, जैसे हमने likewise पहले किया है neighborhood में. So depending upon the type of the connectivity used to two images, the subset Si and Sj, they are the two images whose subsets are Si and Sj. Sj for the second image, Si for the first image. We can say that the both are adjusted on if and only if the P is belongs to Si and Q is belongs to Sj, such that P and Q are adjusted or connected with each other. So in some way they are connected. So they are adjusted with each other. Next we have the connected component which represent the second path, or how the path is to be established. A path from PXY to QST is a sequence of distinct pixels. Any image can be represented by a sequence of pixels. So having the value x0, y0, x1, y1 up to so on xn, yn. So where x0, y0 is equal to xy and xn, yn is equal to st, source and destination point. So xi and yi is adjacent to xi minus 1 and yi minus 1 for 1 less than and equal to 1 less than and equal to n, which means that having the one value which is greater than 1 but less than and equal to n value, hence the here the n is the length of the path. So the path represent from one pixel to the another pixel, or that pixel value or another. For example, x and y have the 2 comma 1 value, p having the 2 1 value and q having the 3 1 value. So we have to calculate the there is any path from p to q. So we can easily calculate that if we know that they are adjacent, having some similarities in this, having there is any connection with in these pixels or not, by calculating the characteristics, their pixel values, their brightness values. So next we have the distance measures for the pixels p, q and z with coordinate. If we have the three pixels having the coordinate x comma y for the p pixel, s comma t for the q pixel, v comma w for the z pixel, and here d is the distance function or the metric. So we have to calculate if d p comma q greater than equal to 0. Therefore tpq equal to 0 if and only if p is equal to q. Next is the distance of p and q is calculated is equal to distance of q comma p. They can be equal. Next is d p comma z is less than or equal to d p comma q plus d q comma z. So there are some conditions. If d is the distance function, if and only if they follow three conditions. So the Bunn method, the Bunn distance measure is the Euclidean distance between p and q, which is defined as d p comma q. If we have p comma q का दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालना है, डिस्टेंस निकालना है सॉरी, देन p and q में कोऑर्डिनेट कौन से x y and s t. Therefore x minus s स्केयर प्लस y माइनस टी स्केयर. तो मैथमेटिक्स में हमने पहले भी किया है, वहाँ पर हमें x1 y1 वैल्यू होती है, x2 y2 वैल्यू होती है, x1 माइनस x2 स्केयर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 स्केयर and under root. This is the Euclidean distance. So we can easily find. Next one is the city block distance between p and q, which is defined by the modulation of x minus s plus y minus t. Clear? Next we have the arithmetic and the logical operator. If any pixel having belongs to, there is one pixel value belongs to first image or second image, where first and second images are the different images, they are not connected with each other. So how we can apply the various operations on that? So we can apply the operation by adding the two images. If we have two images, we can combine that images easily. We can subtract some content. If we have combined some image, we can easily separate the parts of an image, that is a subtraction. We can multiply that images. We can divide modulation is also applied to that image. There are some logical operations, and operation or operation not operation. So the logical operators are only applied to the binary images, and arithmetic operations are applied to all the images. So this is the example where this is the background and the white is the image object that is shown. This is the whole image having the two combinations black and white. So next is the second portion represent the b value. थर्ड में क्या है, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट मतलब जो है गिवन उसका ऑपोजिट, जो गिवन है उसका ऑपोजिट क्या बन गया. फिर दिस एरिया इज शोन बाय ब्लैक एंड बैकग्राउंड इज चेंज बाय वाइट. दिस इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ए प्लस बी दोनों को कंबाइन करके ए माइनस बी सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट पोर्शन. एंड मॉड्यूलेशन के लिए कनेक्ट जो रिजल्ट आता है आफ्टर द मॉड्यूलेशन पार्ट, डिवीजन के बाद जो लास्ट में जो हमारे पास बचती है वैल्यू, दैट इज द मॉड्यूलेशन प्रोसेस. सो दैट वैल्यू इज रिजल्टेड. Next one is the neighborhood operation that can also be one of the operation is the average. How we can calculate the average of an image? So we can also know that they are the number of pixels. So if we form any image in the matrix form, there is for example there is an image of 3 into 3. There are the 9 number of pixel value. So the values assigned to that pixel is the function of a gray label and the labels of the neighbor. So we can easily find out the average of that image. Average of that image is calculated by a is an image equals to 1 divided by 9. 9 क्या है? The number of pixel. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. If we have the 4 into 4 image, then 1 by 16. 1 by 9 in bracket the addition of all the pixel value a1 to a9, and that value is calculated value is the total average value. And this operation is also known as the low pass filtering. It uses the overall bandwidth requirement for the transmission of an image. This is the last one, which is the generalization form. We can also represent that image in a way. We have the image z having the pixel values, weighted value, or we can say that the window value. Also it is known as the or value. They are the z1, z2, z3 are these are the pixel, and these are multiplied by their values. So we can result a summation of wi zi. The I value is from 1 to 9. They are the main number of pixel. For 3 into 3 they are 1 to 9. So this process is very useful for the noise filtering, edge detection. The various important operations can be implemented by the proper selection of coefficient of wi, that is the window operation. So these all are the operations that are to be applied on the various images for improving the quality of an image or for the enhancement purposes to digitize an image.